Now today we're taking a look and a sniff of this Scentorini Lavender Forward Scent Cube box. So that picked up from the Amazon team. I'm very excited. As soon as I opened the packaging, I could smell it. It smells so good. And these are, you would use with a wax burner or melter of some kind. So you would usually have, say, a candle underneath a vessel. You'd put the wax in there, it would melt and it would just release the beautiful scent throughout your home. You can get this in so many different scents, so definitely check around the listing and see a scent that appeals to you. I went for the lavender because I like to put these on in the evening, and lavender, you know, hopefully will help me sleep, fingers crossed. So let's take a look and see what you get inside the box. I'm very excited. So here we have got the box. I have to say it smells so good. And if I got this as a gift, I'd be absolutely thrilled. So you've got your 4 different scents in there. We've got the lavender and gardenia. And the way that they come is, they come like almost like ice cubes. And what you do, you'd open them up and just break off however many you think you would like to melt. Obviously, the more you have, the more scent's going to be there. But then also your different vessel, it's going to take different amounts. So we've got lavender and sage, lavender and gardenia. I think I should have 2 of each. Lavender and sandalwood, yum. I love sandalwood. I think sandalwood is such a almost masculine scent and I really like it. It's like an aftershave to me. And chamomile, which hopefully will be the good one for helping me have a restful night. So yeah, we've got 2 of each in this really lovely box. Again, super easy to gift. Let's go with the sandalwood as it's probably going to be my fave. There we go, let's just open it up. It's one of those ones you can just hinge it open. And you get a lot of wax here as well. So it's one, like, looks like a slab there. So it comes looking like that on the one side, and then you've got your cubes on there. And I would just pop it out there and just break off probably 2. It breaks off super easy, like that. It smells so good. It smells really lovely. That smells almost creamy. I don't know how they do that, but that smells lovely. I've got my little wax melter here. I've got my candle underneath going. I've got a liner because I like to use liners with all my wax melts. It makes cleanup a lot easier. I'm just going to pop it in there and let that melt and just give me aroma throughout the house. There are some instructions there as well for your safety and best usage as well. And there we go, we've got the wax melter going there. That is going to smell absolutely gorgeous, probably in about 15 minutes. It's going to be stunning. And yeah, wonderful. I think it's a really good, economical, good value way to get your house smelling beautiful. And you can burn these more than once, so it's not a one and done. I usually do 2 to 3 goes out of each one as well. So what a fab little product.